Could someone get in more trouble if they let the officer know they were upset about being pulled over? Attorney Brian Sloan says, yes, this could happen. I recently had a client who believed it was inappropriate for the officer to pull him over and to ask him to step out of the vehicle for a DUI investigation. So he wrapped himself in the steering wheel, requiring the officer to pepper spray him in the face and then drag him out of the vehicle. Officers expect compliance with their orders, so although it can be noted if someone felt it was not appropriate for them to be pulled over, it would not make the officer just go away. People would probably not want to take it to the point where they were getting pepper sprayed in the face or they had to be taken down to the ground and handcuffed. The police officers would use any means necessary to gain compliance from someone who was not fully complying with their orders. They would not just go away because someone was not willing to comply with their orders, because they would get the person to comply with their orders one way or another, even if that meant taking the person down to the ground and handcuffing them. There is crazy case law out there, and there was one case that just seemed absolutely ridiculous, where the court upheld that a person was convicted for resisting arrest. The question arose under what authority the police were trying to arrest the person in the first place, for which they had resisted. But the court said it was perfectly fine for someone to be convicted of resisting arrest on the grounds of committing the crime of resisting arrest, even if there was no underlying crime other than resisting arrest, so the person could be arrested for anything. A person would expect that they would need to be arrested for some sort of crime before they could be charged with resisting that arrest, but in that case, the underlying crime was resisting arrest. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Brian Sloan in Phoenix, Arizona at 602-357-8980 or visit him on the web at www.arizDUI.com.